Grievance redressal is the mechanism which provides justiciability to the right to vote. It's the process by which citizens actively defend their rights against administrative error or electoral misconduct. This system is crucial because it gives every person a voice to counter structural violence, the systemic denial of rights, and fight for the expansion of human freedoms within the political sphere. Today in this module, we will be going over channel differentiation, accountability and timeliness, C-Vigil, the submission process, rapid resolution, the national portal, formal resolution, tracking and final closure. The ECI uses a dual channel system to handle complaints based on urgency and type. C-Vigil is dedicated to real-time, on-the-spot MCC violations. Examples are illegal cash, threats, bribes. The National Grievance Service Portal, NGSP, is for formal administrative issues, for example, electoral roll errors, staff misconduct, etc. This differentiation is essential because the one requires a rapid field response, while the other requires a documented administrative review. The core goals are timeliness and verifiability. The ECI aims for efficiency, but this must be balanced with thoroughness. While speed is essential for stopping an ongoing violation, we must be careful not to let the technology obsession of the government stampede justiciable rights. The system must deliver a verified remedy, not just a quick ticket closure. C-Vigil is the ECI's real-time enforcement tool. It empowers any citizen with a smartphone to report a model code of conduct breach. This is particularly valuable in combating inducements or other illegal activities that poll officials cannot monitor everywhere. The key is that the violation must be happening now. To prevent misuse and ensure legal validity, the submission process relies on built-in verification. The app automatically captures the geotag, GPS coordinates, and timestamp of the photo or video. This inherent proof is crucial for supporting the field unit's investigation and subsequent legal action. The citizen's descriptive note must be submitted quickly, reinforcing the real-time nature of the evidence. The ECI targets investigation and action within 100 minutes. This provides deterrence. However, the true accountability comes from the human-centered verification by flying squads, not the technology. We must prevent the scenario where accountability isn't sacrificed at the altar of technology by ensuring thorough human investigation, not just digital closure. For administrative issues, like errors in the electoral roll or complaints about staff misconduct, the National Grievance Service Portal is used. This handles issues that require formal documentation, a paper trail, and administrative review over immediate field intervention. The complaint receives a unique reference ID and is routed down the administrative hierarchy from the ECI Secretariat to the state CEO and then to the local DEO or ERO. This structured flow ensures that the complaint lands on the desk of the exact official who has the legal authority to fix it, providing transparency until the formal action taken report is filed. The ultimate accountability mechanism for the ECI's functions is judicial review. Landmark judgments have defined the ECI's power and transparency mandates. For instance, T.N. Session versus the Union of India 1993 cemented the CEC's wide-ranging powers to ensure free and fair polls. Crucially, the Union of India versus the Association for Democratic Reforms 2002 mandated that candidates must disclose criminal and financial records, fundamentally increasing candidate transparency, a key grievance for citizens. Recent judgments continue to shape the ECI's independence and fight against financial opacity. The Anup Baranwal versus the Union of India 2023 judgment concerning the appointment of the Chief Election Commissioner reinforced the ECI's institutional and independence as a necessary check on executive power. And most recently, the Association for Democratic Reforms and ANR versus Union of India and ORS 2024 electoral bonds case ruling struck down the electoral bonds scheme, a decision that directly confronts the issue of high concentration of wealth and ensures greater financial transparency in democracy politics.